thin like broomstick, wearing blouse. Yet, the woman was eating heavily. Pounded yam, egusi soup, fish, meat, even snake joined the meeting. Oh. Mama Osatu stop again. She looked confused. This time around, then she said, Jesus of Nazareth, sister, where are you keeping all this food? Your body is looking like fasting and prayer. The slim woman swallowed slowly and smiled. Mama Osatu, not everybody store food in front like pregnant drum. Mama Osato touched her chest. Oh, your mouth is sharper than razor blade. The slim woman laughed. At least, my body still allow breeze to pass. Mama Osato fired back quickly.